Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create these cute strawberry leg warmers in Dress to Impress. Go to the currency item and grab these shoes. Select classic socks and color it green or whatever color you'd like for the leaves, I guess. Then get the leg warmers from Codes and use this in this pattern. If it's not the same color as the rest of your outfit, maybe just adjust that a little bit to match it. I think it's just a darker red and like the polka dots are white instead of yellow, which I am going to make that change, I think, like so. And then for the shoes, you can use anything you want. I'll just use these Mary Janes in black. Let me see if I add socks. Okay, that covers it up. Maybe add some socks in color black as well, like this. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.